Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm backing up my papa's boat because he's recovering for surgery. Good job, Gannon.
Okay, now we can get on.
I'm on a boat.
One for us to fish with?
Yes. Yes. I'm a worm man.
Gannon, how did you catch that many worms?
We just went and
out here fishing with our friends. Say hi. Put this on your YouTube channel? Okay. Gannon explained to us.
This
was
is shad, gizzard shad, and he's throwing in there, and we're catching them, putting them in this bucket. We cut them up for big fish bait.
Feel me?
Oh, and I still need you to bite one's head off.
Oh, there's one. Oh, wow, Dad. Dang. Okay. Catch the first fish of the day. Good job, Gannon. Smile. Tell your subscribers what you got.
A blue cat.
How much do you think that one weighs?
Probably like 3 pounds, 4.
Trixie likes her chicken biscuits, but she's got to do some tricks first. Sit. Shake.
Well, at least I got a fish.
Wow, Gannon. Stinky fish. Wow, Gannon. Gannon has another fish, and no one else has caught a fish.
Gosh
Aww.
They were good.
Got me a common carp. Big old carp.
That's a big one.
Wow.
Wow.
So guys, this is a drum. Here they look different. They grow a lot bigger than this one, and they have these like rocks in their head that they like make this like noise, and they sound pretty weird. But I just caught this guy.
Awesome. Time to release.
Are you done with this?